Welcome back, guys. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips around how to make your data understandable. We often have lots of spreadsheets, but we cannot explain that data. So, how we can make it comprehensible for the executives? So, you did make a lot of, I will say, data analysis, but eventually people cannot understand that. So how to make it understandable, precise, clean, and very much to the point. So I will take some sample data in Excel. I will show you how to clean it up. I mean, by cleaning meaningful cleanup, and then going into Word or PowerPoint and pulling it over there. And you know that in PowerPoint, for example, we can't have sentences, we can't have a lot of numbers, etc., etc. We need to be very careful with that. I will show you how you can be careful. We'll start with some sample data. It's a random sample data, so it's just for the educational purposes. So I've pulled it down just to explain how it will work. So let's go down in our spreadsheet and see how it will work. Stay with me and take your notes. So moving on to our spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, I have a lot of data, which is like my customers. Let's assume that I have some customers and I'm supposed to report their sales while I've put down some comments as well. So we have three columns here. One is customer, second is sales, third is comments. Now, I want to share this with my executives that, hey, we did this job with these customers in this month. But if I send out this spreadsheet, this will not make much sense for many reasons. So let's try to pull out a summary out of it. So summary from Excel to other applications, and it can be any. It can be even I will say, a small snapshot on your email body as well. So let's start with it, and I will start with cleaning the data first. So let's move on. Let's start cleaning. The first thing that I need to clean here is that the sale numbers. Sale numbers are appearing pretty much odd here. And I need to clean them. So first thing, I will select the data, press Control 1, and I will get a pop-up, and I will convert the numbers into a decimal way, in a proper way so that I can see them. Now I see how many millions these are, so it's more presentable. Still, it is not exactly what I want. So what I want here is that it should be very simple and clean. So for that purposes, I will need to bring it down to a short number, because when you go to your executives, you cannot share this much long numbers. They are into 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 12 million. So how to bring it down? Let's do that. Is equal to, I will take it and I will divide it so that maybe the zeros are not enough. Okay, maybe this is not enough. We need one more zero, and this will make it 12 million. So this makes a good shape. So now it's a good start that we have reduced it down, because in the summary we need to be more precise. I will even bring these decimals down. So first of all, I will Control C and paste the values. And if you have not tried it, Control C and go to your home, paste, and there is this values, and you will paste it. So now it is values. I need to bring it down to even further shortened version, and that version will be by using round function. Is equal to round, this one, comma, let's say 1 is enough for me. So yeah, this is what I want, 12.3. I brought it down. Very good. Now I will again Control C, home, paste, values. So this is converted into values. I'll delete it. Now I want to add some signs with this. Sign, let's say euro sign. Let's assume this currency is euro. So I'll go to insert and insert a symbol. And for example, here's a euro symbol. I insert it, close it. Okay, let's take it down till the end. And it is what? It's millions, huh? So we will put a small m here as well, and I will drag it down. Now, one side is m and one side is euro sign, I need to plug it together. So I will say is equal to concatenate. You remember we use this formula. What is concatenate? To plug in, I mean to make one I will say sentence. So simple word. But anyways, it is combining the I will say logic from multiple cells. It is combining data from multiple cells. Concatenate, this is the function name. What I would like to concatenate is, first thing, euro sign. Then I will say comma. What is the second thing? Value, 12.2. Third thing is at the end, I want million sign. So it should show me euro 12.3 million. Now it is good for me. Very beautiful. I will again control C. I will go to home, paste values. So now it is values. Now it is very simple. I can copy it and I can paste it here. So my sales are very much neat, short, precise, and to be honest with you, presentable. I'm removing all the other data. Now it's very clean. I will add serial numbers as well. This will help us to kind of put bullets in our data. So let's say 1, 2, 3, and I will select all of them and drag them down till the end. And this is a sequence. Now I will copy the format so it looks better. Although we're not going to use that, but generally I try to keep my spreadsheets neat. Even if I use them to present or not, it doesn't matter. Now I would like to add a summary here, and this is what I'm going to take into my other applications, Word or PowerPoint. And now this summary is going to be kind of a summary where I will say that my first point is about customer Procter & Gamble and how much sale did they do and some reasons as well. So first of all, okay, now summary. Okay, again that function that we use, which one? Concatenate. We will concatenate column A, B, C, and D, but in a very clever way. It's not just a concatenate, but it will be precisely a concatenate containing all the data in. So let's see how it works. Is equal to concatenate, and today you will get a lot of practice of this function. Serial number 1. Then I need to put a dash hyphen here. So I will put a hyphen, then keep an eye on the function. Then I will put Procter & Gamble, this is the customer, comma. Now I would like to put a sentence, a word, small word here, Procter & Gamble, and after Procter & Gamble I would like to give a little bit of space, so I'll put this. Then again, text, did what? Did some sale. Procter & Gamble did, and then I will give again a space, comma, and then I will get sales here. So Procter & Gamble did 12.5 million, and then again, comma, and then I would like to put here sales, but first a little bit of space because I don't want to over this whole thing. Sales in October, not October, September. So this was September sale. Again, I want to give some space. I'll give space here. And then I would like to add my comments. So I will put here comments, brackets closed. Oh, let's not forget that we need to put this into apostrophes so that it is taken as a text. Okay, and after that, I will put the real comments, and the comments are in here, D2. There, our summary is closed. Now, I made a mess somewhere. Okay, okay, with the comments part, I'll remove. Yes, I should remove this. We still have some function error, but let's see where I with this. So, is it making sense? In my opinion, no, because there is a error here. So let's review this. So we put did good. Sale, very good. Sales in September, very good. And sales in September is not properly closed, so we will close it here. Now it is closed. We get some space here. We'll close this. Now it makes sense. With the comments, I don't see space, so I will put space here as well. And I might include these brackets as well to give it a little bit of highlight. Yeah, now we have one Procter & Gamble did 12.3 million of sale in September. Then comments. This is a kind of a summary. I will drag it down till the last customer. So this will give me a visibility on all of the customers, and you can see now if I drag, it has created a beautiful, I will say, commentary by pulling in all the data into one field, into one column rather. Here I will copy it and now I will paste it. Let's say first I will try it in the PowerPoint, so I Control V. Now it is offering me options. I will take it as a text, and you can see it's already commented as a small summary. So your Excel data has been converted into a very beautiful summary. You select this data and then you can play with this. For example, you want to remove this and you will have a very simple and straightforward sequence. So you can say September sales, and then you have given all the details to your management. Let's say if you want to pick top 10 here, you pick top 10, and now you can make a little bit of highlight of it. I mean, you can make a bigger size, and it shows that how many of your customers did what in a particular period. So this is one thing, I mean, one application. You can do the same thing with Microsoft Word. Paste it here, and then you can play with it and make sure that you paste it as a text so that you can play with it as well. Now it is a proper summary, you can see here, and then you can present it or you can submit it to as a report. So this is a summary report. You can just simply submit it to your management. So that's one of the things I wanted to share with you fellas, to bring it down to a very simple way in understanding how does this work when it comes to summarizing your data. It's very important. I will bring some more tips around this as well, how you can summarize your data, but I hope it helps you to understand how you can bring big data into a small, precise version and presentable for your management. We'll look into more such tips and tricks as well. And till that time, I would request you to please do comment down there in the comment section, like this video and share it as well with your friends and colleagues. And if you're a new timer, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It will not cost anything. So guys, till the time we speak again, take very good care of yourself, stay safe, and I really hope to speak to you very soon. Till then, ta-da.